It's 5:39 p.m. This is Preswick Lane. A lot of debris, but nothing major. No trees down. I haven't seen any screen enclosures get knocked over. We really dodged a bullet this time. I'm gonna go right by my house here and take a run around Danbury. And we'll be posting this on Facebook, or YouTube, or wherever my son Sean decides it should go. There's the Marsochi house. That debris is from a new pool construction. Has nothing to do with the storm. I would have to say that we're really, really lucky here at Vanderbilt. Those areas close to the water, they took some bad hits from both the rain, trees as well. The worst of all is the flooding. I think Naples Park has got 2 to 3 feet of water on the streets. We can live with this. I mean, this is not a problem. I'm going to turn this off and do a quick circle around Glen Eagle on a separate YouTube.